You're here? You're here? What do we do today? I guess again, Marcus body coding line. Chin chin, yes, no footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. And today, cross heel complicado number 6. Yes, are you ready? First, watch for yourself. Let's go. Again. Yeah, this is the move. Now, no excuses. Let's do it together. Right by the lake. Let's go. No excuses. Let's go. You see the lake? No. Let's go with the floor and do the move. Let's go. With the sun. Let's go. We do heel. Heel. Step to the side and step. Yeah. And now cross. Open, open. Now going to the left with the right. Heel. Heel. Step. Step. Cross. Open, open. Once again, let's go with the left. We go to the right. Notice we do heel. You see I move from here to here. Heel, heel, step, step, and I keep on moving. Cross and now open, open. Yeah. Now we go to the left with the right. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open. Once again, now with the count. We go to the right, notice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now with the right, let's go. Heel, heel, step, step, 5, 6, 7. Let's go one more time. We go to the right, notice I don't put the heel here. I put the heel a little bit here. Yeah, it's moving. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open, heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open. Yes, this is the move. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And you know what? You still here? Practice makes progress, right? So let's do it again. Right now, face to face. I want to see you. Yeah, I want to see that you did good. Are you ready? Let's go. We'll start with the left again. Let's go. Notice we are moving. It's not here. It's here. Yeah. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open. Now to the left. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open. Once again with the left. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open. Now with the count, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I tell you a secret. What's so special with this move? You can move around with it. Yeah, you can move around with it. Let's show it. Let's try it together. Are you ready? Let's go. You can move around with it. I'm moving. You see, I'm doing the heel. So let's move to the right. I'll start here. I'll move to the right. Heel, heel, step, step. Then I can even twist around. Oh, open, open. Yes, you can twist around. Let's do it again with the left. Heel, heel, step, step. Yeah. Cross, open, open. You can go back. Heel, heel, step, step. Cross, and open, open. Yes, you can move around with it. Enjoy and play with it. Let's do it again, just face to face last time. Let's go. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open, and move to the right. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open. Last time. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open. We can have the shoulders. Yeah. Heel, heel, step, step, cross, open, open. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And if you are the serious student, meaning you want to practice again and again and again, because you know that practice makes permanent. Meet me in the studio for the full tutorial for free. Forever for free. How can you do that? Check the link above to the side below. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yes, and search for this move. What's the name of the move? Cross heel C 6. This is the name of the move. Cross heel complicado 6. Yes, C stands for complicado. Pretty complicated, I know. And I remind you, this is Marcus Body coding. Why coding? Because we code universal moves, just like this move. Why universal? So you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, whatever style that you want. Yes, pretty insane, pretty awesome, pretty amazing. I know, maybe I'm not that objective, but who cares? If you like the move, enjoy it, practice it, and if you practice it, make sure to practice it today. Cha-ching! Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Have an amazing day.